Building the Sukkah, a tradition unveiled. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines cultural heritage with language learning. Building the Sukkah. This phrase not only introduces us to a significant Jewish tradition but also offers a wonderful opportunity to explore unique English language expressions and the cultural context behind them. So, let's embark on this journey together and uncover the meaning and significance of building the Sukkah. The Sukkah is a temporary hut constructed for use during the week-long Jewish festival of Sukkot. This festival falls in the autumn and commemorates the wanderings of the Israelites in the desert for 40 years, where they lived in makeshift huts. The Sukkah represents these huts, and building one is a key part of the Sukkot celebrations. A sukkah is made up of a roof of branches, known as shak, which provides shade and protection while still allowing the stars to be seen at night. The walls can be made from various materials, including wood, canvas, or even metal. The important part is that the sukkah is a temporary and fragile structure, symbolizing the transience of life and the need for protection. Building the sukkah is a practice rich in symbolism and community values. It is an act that connects individuals to their history, reminding them of the hardships their ancestors endured and the importance of faith and resilience. Furthermore, it's a time of joy and hospitality, where families and friends gather, share meals, and sometimes even sleep in the sukkah, under the autumn sky. The process of building the sukkah also represents the idea of temporary dwelling, reflecting on the concept that material possessions are transient, and what truly matters are faith, community, and the moments we share with others. It's a beautiful tradition that encourages reflection, gratitude, and celebration. Exploring the phrase, building the sukkah, provides a unique opportunity for English language learners to immerse themselves in a cultural tradition while enhancing their vocabulary and comprehension. Terms like sukkah, Sukkot, shak, and temporary dwelling become more than just words. They are gateways to understanding a rich cultural heritage and the values it represents. This approach to language learning, through cultural immersion, enables learners to connect with the language on a deeper level, making the learning process more engaging and meaningful. We hope this exploration into the meaning and significance of building the sukkah has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also provided you with a glimpse into the rich tapestry of cultural traditions that language can unveil. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar. It's about connecting with people, history, and cultures. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures together.